First things first, I appreciate your support. I hope you guys are good. Let me show you what happens when you don't clean the solenoid filters. There are two filters here. So if you don't clean this, you will end up replacing the solenoid valves. Let me show you what happens. Water comes from the main tap, then through the filter, through the valves, then through these two to the dispensing compartment. If it's clogged, water comes in with less pressure, so this struggles to pull in water. Now this is fault. Let's check this using the multimeter. Quite avoidable. So before I show you that, it's easy to clean the filters. Just locate the main tap, the garden tap or the washing machine tap, make sure it's off, then unscrew this from the valves. Once you unscrew that, get a pliers, pull this out. You see, it's completely clogged. Water can't pass through this. Unfortunately, these affected the valves. If you check keenly, there's another filter. Just pull that out. There you go. So these two, people do this mistake. They remove this and they forget this. Check. Some machines have three, like the hair I've seen they have three. These are two. Clean this, then same procedure, plug it back, return the pipe, and then open the water. So this one here, unfortunately, the valve has blown. So let's check the valve. To ensure the multimeter is working, test this. You see there is continuity. So we expect the same on this. So this is for soaking, and this is the main. The main works more than the one for soaking, and this one is faulty. So let's start with this, the one for soaking. There's continuity. You go to this, there's no continuity. This one is working, this one is not working. Now you are forced to get new solenoid valves, which is quite avoidable. So these are the valves, and before I replace this, I've just replaced a drain pump on this machine as well. There's the drain pump. It wasn't running, and the cause of this is the filter was dirty. We said it's easy. You come here, you open here, then you remove the filter, clean and plug it back. The filter was very clogged, which affected the pump. Now imagine replacing the pump and replacing the solenoid valves. Very expensive. Very expensive. So let's get back to this. So my point is, make sure you clean the filters so that you don't end up spending more on buying spare parts. So let's get to this. See, this one comes with a clean filter, new clean filter. So this should be cleaned at least after 2 to 3 months. check this one. Look, this one is faulty and it's busted. Yo, clean those filters, don't play yourself. Now the machine is pulling more water from this side.